I call this the $1,000,000 pasta. Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today I'm showing you guys how to make this bomb.com Cajun chicken pasta recipe. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Also, leave a like for me if this video was helpful, and let's jump right into the recipe. Before we begin, if you need the ingredient list for today's recipe, it will be found in the description box below. I'm using 2 chicken breasts for today's recipe. I'm also using a meat tenderizer to flatten the chicken to help it cook faster. However, you can cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces if you like, or straight in the middle. Next, I am going to drizzle some olive oil on the chicken, rub it in. These are the seasoning I'll be using for the chicken breast. I'm using Cajun seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, dry parsley, paprika, Old Bay seasoning. Then we're going to mix it together with a spoon or a fork, and then we're going to sprinkle it all over the chicken breast. Now that the chicken breast is nice and well seasoned, you're going to set it aside, allow it to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes while we cook the pasta. Now, to cook the pasta, add water to your pot, then you're going to season the water. You can use chicken bouillon. For today's recipe, I added Cajun seasoning and some salt. Cover it, allow it to come to a boil. Then I added the pasta. You can use any pasta shape you like, but today I'm using penne pasta. Allow it to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Once al dente, remove the pasta. Drain out the hot water. Do not rinse your pasta because you want the sauce to cling onto the pasta. So yeah, do not rinse it. Now it's time to cook the chicken. I am going to drizzle some olive oil to my medium-high heat skillet. Then I'm going to place the chicken in there. I'm going to cook the chicken for about 5 minutes per side, then flip over. Once they're done, I did ended up placing them into my air fryer just to be sure. After I was done with the chicken, I am going to use the same skillet. I'm going to add some chopped onions, some bell peppers, any colors will work. And also I ended up adding some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. It's optional, you don't have to use it. And then we are going to add some minced garlic. Fry that for about 60 seconds or until the vegetables are nice and soft. Then I am going to add the heavy cream. Now, because we want this pasta to be nice and creamy, I am adding some cream cheese to this recipe. And also, once that is melted, I am going in with some more seasoning. I'm using Slap Your Mama seasoning, Cajun seasoning, just to make it nice and tasty. Of course, it's already tasting delicious. Now I'm adding some Parmesan cheese on there, and then we are going to add the pasta. Once you add the pasta in there, make sure to stir it. Make sure the pasta is well coated with all of the sauce. The chicken is looking so good. I know you want a piece, but when you make this for yourself, you'll see how tasty and delicious this recipe is. So juicy. Now I'm going to pour one of the chicken breasts in there, mix it up with the pasta, and save the other one to garnish. I ended up adding some fresh parsley in there, mix it up together. Oh my gosh, you guys, this recipe is 10 out of 10. Would recommend. You have to try it to see what I'm talking about. Now, this recipe is so good. You're gonna wanna make it almost every week. It's so flavorful, so delicious. I hope you enjoy it and hope you actually try it out and come back. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.